I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by verifying essentials. Your phone runs iOS 15 Plus or Android 8 Plus, and you have at least 2 GB free. Next, sign in or create an OpenAI account so you can access Chatgpt. You'll need your email and a secure password. Once done, choose how to access it, install the official Chatgpt app for native features, or use a mobile browser if you prefer no install. Make sure cellular or Wi-Fi is active before moving on. You'll open your App Store, search for Chatgpt, and verify the official publisher before tapping Install. This prevents fake apps. Once installed, sign in with your OpenAI credentials and complete any two-factor prompts to secure the account. Enable microphone access if you want voice input, and allow notifications only if you need reply alerts. Finally, customize appearance and privacy. Turn on dark mode, manage conversation history, and enable data saving to reduce mobile. You'll finish by testing a prompt. Ask Chatgpt a quick question and try voice input to confirm permissions. If sign-in fails, reset your password and confirm two-factor codes, and make sure your network isn't blocking connections. Should the app crash or behave oddly, clear the app cache, update to the latest version, or reinstall. As a fallback, open Chat in your mobile browser to continue. Keep your account recovery email current so you can restore access if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.